Naghahanap ka ba ng perfect home para sa pamilya mo? If you're still looking for a affordable home here in Cavite, today's video is for you. Walk with me habang pupuntahan natin ang mga property na swak sa budget mo. First up, Lior Homes Naik. Ito ang bahay na may solar power system, 2 water tank at insect screen.
Wow!
Free na yan upon turnover. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, eco-friendly na, kompleto pa sa features. Gated community, may amenities at flood-free. Next, nandito tayo sa Pagsibol Village. Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay na walang down payment, walang equity, at may semi-complete finish upon turnover, eto na yon. May tiles na, may ceiling pa. Lipat agad next year. Legit. Ito ang Northdale State. Kung gusto mo ng bahay na walking distance lang sa highway, madali ang commute, perfect sa mga nagtatrabaho sa Manila or PITX area. Low monthly, 2-story townhouse din, presyong abot kaya. Dito sa Pacific Town Naik, ang pinaka eye-catching, may gate at fence ka na upon turnover. May parking space at secured ang community. For only 5,000 reservation fee, pwede ka nang magsimula dito sa Pacific Town. And last for today, Kaya Homes Naik. If you're just starting out or naghahanap ng pinaka-affordable, the Helena model is perfect. A 2-story townhouse with low monthly sa pag-ibig. And syempre, trusted ang developer. Lahat ng bahay na pinakita ko today are actual option na pwede mong simulan kahit maliit lang ang budget mo. Kung may nakita kang gusto mong i-view, message us now, will help you every step of the way. Once again, this is Jerome Mayor, Ahenting Bicolano. Thank you for watching.